Hello viewers, this is Jubi Saikia and you're watching My News Any. Union Minister Kiran Rijiju today raised concern over the misuse of Waqf properties in India. Here we are bringing you the full details. Kiran Rijiju flags misuse of Waqf properties in India. India holds 9.72 lakh Waqf registered assets. Waqf land not benefiting poor Muslims properly. Land bill amendments aim to stop misappropriation. Focus on transparency, accountability in Waqf administration. Yes, viewers, Union Minister Kiran Rijiju today raised concern over the misuse of Waqf properties in India, highlighting the need of effective utilization of land resources to benefit marginalized communities. Speaking on the recent amendments to the land bill, Rijiju stressed that India, being a large country, must ensure that every inch of land in the country should be used properly and is free for disputes. Rijiju pointed that India holds the largest number of Waqf properties in the world with over 9.72 lakh registered assets. However, they expressed concern that these properties are not serving their intended purpose of supporting poor Muslims and are instead being subjected to misuse and illegal occupation. This is a matter of serious concern, the minister said, adding that the recent land bill amendments aim to address two key issues benefiting the poor Muslims and curbing the looting and misappropriation of Waqf assets. So, when we amended the land bill, our two main objectives are to benefit the poor Muslims and to stop the looting and misuse of the property, he stated. The remarks come amid ongoing debates around land reforms and the managements of religious endowments, with the center pushing for greater transparency and accountability in the administration of such properties. Yes, viewers, Union Minister Kiran Rijiju has initiated a discussion surrounding the management of Waqf properties nationwide, advocating for a reassessment of land utilization to uplift marginalized communities. He emphasized that the sheer magnitude of India's land mass necessitates meticulous oversight, ensuring every inch of land in the country should be used properly and is devoid to continuous claims. Rijiju's comments draw attention to India's position as the custodian of the world's most extensive collection of Waqf properties exceeding 9.72 lakh registered assets. However, he articulated deep reservations regarding the current state of this resources, asserting that they are failing to fulfill their designated role for aiding impoverished Muslims, scrubbing instead to exploitation and unlawful encroachment. However, these pronouncements emerged within the backdrop of ongoing national dialogues regarding land reforms and the governance of religious endowments, as the central government champions enhanced transparency and accountability in the administration of such holdings. Here is what Union Minister Kiran Rijiju have stated.
किसी भी देश के लिए सबसे महत्वपूर्ण देश का जमीन होता है और हमारा हिंदुस्तान दुनिया का सबसे ज्यादा जनसंख्या है, देश बड़ा है और इस देश में हर एक इंच जमीन अच्छी तरह से इस्तेमाल होना चाहिए। इसके लिए अच्छा कानून होना चाहिए, सिस्टम अच्छा होना चाहिए और हमारा देश का जमीन हमारा देश के गरीबों के लिए काम आना चाहिए। इसमें कोई विवाद नहीं होना है। दुनिया का सबसे ज्यादा वक्फ प्रॉपर्टी हिंदुस्तान में है। 9,70,000 से भी ज्यादा, 9,72,000 से ज्यादा वक्फ संपत्ति हिंदुस्तान में है। लेकिन हिंदुस्तान के गरीब मुसलमानों के लिए कोई काम नहीं आ रहा है। काम नहीं आ रहा है वो एक बात है, लेकिन उसका दुरुपयोग, मिस यूज, वक्फ संपत्तियों को कब्जा करके जो लूटे जा रहा है, यह भी एक चिंता का विषय है। तो जब वक्फ बिल को संशोधन किया, मुख्य हमारा 2 लक्ष्य हैं। गरीबों को, गरीब मुसलमानों को फायदा पहुंचाना, जिस लक्ष्य से वक्फ प्रॉपर्टी बनाया गया है उसका अंजाम दिलवाना, और फिर उसको जो लूटा जा रहा है, मिसयूज किया जा रहा है, उसको भी रोक लगाना। ये दोनों हमारे लिए बहुत जरूरी है। इसलिए
That's all for now. For further updates, keep watching My News NE.